Okay, this is a quick update for July 20th, 2015. We've got some thunderstorms moving in to New Mexico. This one here looks like it's being blown apart. This is the water vapor loop we're looking at here. It's for the southwest. And by the way, yesterday we had about 1 7/16 of rain for Saturday and Sunday. So that's pretty good. That just is an all-time record for July in the Los Angeles area. So in the foothills, we had 1 7/16 of rain, which is what we need. And we got it in pretty short order too. So there was a lot of flooding and all that. Also, we had very high pressure today, 30.07 inches on the barometer, as a hurricane, the remnants of Hurricane Dolores were passing by out in the ocean. We had high pressure, so that's interesting as well. Here is the rainbow loop showing the destruction of this one storm. You can see the side of it being blown out here. Let's look at this in the visible light mode. We can see a little bit of a shock wave here out of the back side, and also here as well on the east, or rather the west side. Okay. Meantime, the remnants of Dolores are passing right by us, and we had a lot of clouds today and very humid weather, and also high pressure, which is odd because generally hurricanes we know are part of a low pressure system. So not sure why we were indicating high pressure today, but that's the way it was. Okay, here's the East Pacific Water Vapor Loop. This is the disturbance. It's been identified by the National Hurricane Center. It's forecast to become a hurricane within 2 days. We're going to keep an eye on that. Also notice the westerly flow coming off the Gulf of Mexico here. And this actually looks like it's being blasted. I haven't looked at the Gulf of Mexico map, but this looks like the remnants of a blast here, a HAARP downburst. There's a blast pattern right there. You can see that, and a lot of water vapor left over here. And that is serving to create some high pressure, which we'll take a look at. This is the infrared loop for that same map. Okay, so here's this little blast pattern I was just talking about. There's a high pressure over Texas right here, and that's causing clockwise movement. And in conjunction with this, we have something that's being built out right here. This looks like a rerun of a few days ago when Dolores was moving up into our area. We had this high pressure suddenly build out, as we're seeing here. This is sort of a repeat. But what this is doing is pushing all this weather. There's a lot of severe thunderstorms. Right, look at this one here. That's almost as big as half of Texas. Anyhow, this is pushing all that off to the east. All right. This is a man-made high pressure, and I believe that this is too, and that they're manipulating this flow here. All right. Now another thing that's happening is we got a low pressure spinning over Hawaii, just north of Hawaii, and that could draw in a lot of this moisture. I don't think they're going to allow this to flood Hawaiian Islands, but it may happen. We'll keep an eye on that as well. Okay, let's go to the infrared loop, and we can see the intensity of that one storm there. And also, this is the one that we were looking at earlier that's being blown apart. That was threatening rain in Arizona and New Mexico. They got rid of that real quick. Okay, next, this is the Eastern East Pacific. This is that storm that's been spinning up. Yesterday it was running counterclockwise pretty good, and they hit that and killed that. They throttled that back pretty good with this transmitter. Okay, let's look at this again in the infrared loop, and see quite a bit of thunderstorms, but they did kill that counterclockwise rotation. and that'll keep this area in check while they deal with that other disturbance that's here indicated on the National Hurricane Center map. We have an 80% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours, so we're going to keep an eye on that. And that's just due south of Baja California. Whoops, wrong button there. Here we go. Okay, now let's go look at the pressure map. This is 300 millibar for 30,000 feet. And we have a low indicated out here. And there's not much pressure difference between here and over here, yet we measured high surface pressure today. Of course, this is 30,000 feet, so let's go ahead and look at the, this is the surface pressure map right here for sea level. And we have a high indicated here, and this graduates to low pressure down here. There's a low indicated there. But we measured 30.07 inches of mercury while the remnants of Dolores passed right by Los Angeles. So that's rather interesting. Okay, so that's it, and we'll do another one of these tomorrow. Okay, that's it.